Demetrious Johnson Charitable Foundation and the Schnuck store, we're partnered up to bring some joy to some families. We do what we call surprise shopping. So the families go out and they buying groceries or whatever they need. We'll go up and we will buy it for them. They have no idea. And I'm at the Schnucks right off of Lucas and Hunt in West Florist, and I'm here to make somebody have a nice day today.
It is very important for Schnucks to partner with community organizations like the Demetrious Johnson Charitable Foundation. We have a shared mission of fighting food insecurity and hunger. So when we put our resources together, our minds together, and then talk about what we need to affect change in our communities, there are 42 million people that are food insecure. 13 million of that number are children. What we saw here today was Demetrious and Schnucks partnering to make an impact in the lives of those in need.
You got to have people who believe in your mission, believe in your vision, and want to be a part of the team. We're one team. With the COVID going on and other kind of things happening in our community, the one team philosophy is what it is. In order for our community to keep moving forward, we got to put all the resources together and do the right thing. The one team that I can say who's had my back is Schnuck store. And we're going to score some points today. We're going to make somebody walk away with $150 worth of grocery paid for by that one team philosophy. The Demetrious Johnson Charitable Foundation and the Schnuck store. I'm looking forward to it. One frontline worker to another.
Oh, yes.
You and I out here doing the same thing, right?
Oh, yes.
You guys are saving lives, I'm helping lives.
And we appreciate you.
And I appreciate you.
Thank you.
Oh. Watch this.
Oh, my goodness.
Watch this disappear for you, girl.
Won't he do it? Won't he do it?
That's what I'm talking about.
It's very important that we partner with organizations because, as I said, we do more than sell groceries. We have a shared mission of nourishing people's lives.